We're starting the day in Sapa by going to several places. I booked a motorbike tour originally. I got the contact from the YouTube video, and so I contacted this guy via WhatsApp. And because today is quite foggy, he said, you know what, I will get you in a car. So we're going to travel in a car with the same price as the motorbike tour. So that's really nice. But we're starting it off with a breakfast. He doesn't join me because he's already had breakfast. I ordered pho bowl with some tea to start of the day. It's very misty here this morning, but it's very beautiful. It's very magical. Come on. Oh, it smells so good. This is so perfect to start of the day. Sugar. A little bit of sugar to sweeten your life. Come on. It's such a huge bowl. It's so refreshing. I know I said that a lot, but the food here are very refreshing. So good for your soul. I think this has to be the best food I've had in Vietnam so far. I love the broth. It's pretty clear, simple. I like it this way. And having pho in Sapa is such a vibe. Oh, that was so lovely. Now that I'm fueled up, I'm ready to take on the day. Let's get on some adventure. Okay, it's not my lucky day. So it's actually very foggy. You can hardly see anything out there. I mean, it's still very magical and I'm still loving it. But it would have been nicer if the sky is clear and I could see all the way out there, like I've seen in the YouTube videos and all the other videos. So Duan was showing me a video when the sky is clear and you can see everything, the landscape down there. It's just amazing. In Sapa must be amazing drivers. I don't know how you can see in this misty cloud. This place is like a fairyland. It's so mystical. I mean, do you see how beautiful that is? That is just, oh my god, I am so amazed right now. And like, there's nobody here right now except for me and Duong and the buffaloes. So it feels very nice. It's so, I'm gonna say this again, but it's so magical. It's just so nice to be here without all the other people. It's such a nice change from the busy Hanoi. Okay, there's a bit of going up actually. Ah, I'm not healthy enough to do this. Oh, like you're down there standing so close to the waterfall, you can feel the water just splashing to your face. It's so, oh my god, I don't know how to say this. It's so cool. Oh, but there's left side. I'm gonna go try to stand on there. So we are now at the Lonely Tree. I think it's got a similar vibe with the Best View Cafe, but this one does not have a cafe, so it has like a lot less entrance. It's only like 20,000 dong, but the view is also just as amazing and as mystical as the Best View one. Well, albeit that it's very foggy and you cannot see down, but still the place has really nice, quaint, serene atmosphere to it. That this place would be so beautiful during the summer when the sky is clear. Oh, I wish I could see that. Maybe I'll come back another time. I think this is our last stop for the day. We're now at the glass bridge and I'm gonna go up there. So he told me to take the elevator and then take the monorail, I think, to get up there to the ticketing office and then heading to the glass bridge from there. It's quite all the way up. Okay, my bad, you guys. Okay, it's a car. It's a car. A car is gonna take you up there. Oh my god! Even the elevator ride was so intense. I'm afraid of heights. I'm a nervous flyer. I don't know what I'm doing. Of course, again, I have to be the only one here. This is so scary. Am I doing this or not? But I've already paid for it. I cannot not do it. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this. No. What am I gonna do? The drop is crazy. I'm doing this as slow as I can and I'm holding onto the railing. Thank God nobody's here. I'd be a laughing stock. Oh my god, I cannot see down. Oh my god, I can't see below. No, I can't. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hold on to this railing. It's a little bit raining. I need to use the umbrella, but I can't do it. I'm just gonna walk up there. I'll see you guys in a minute. Thank God it's foggy. Otherwise, I would not have been able to make this walk because at least now I don't see very much. down below there. But if it's like clear sky, I bet you can see everything below it. It's just, oh my God. What am I doing here? Oh my God. Oh, look at me go, guys. Look at me go so very slowly and like just right on the very left side. Oh, oh my God. Ah, I've already paid 500,000 dong for this. I'm gonna have to break myself. Oh my God. This is hilarious. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh my God, the sky is clearing. I can see below. I can see below. No. Do you think like some people with the adrenaline rush like go run on this glass bridge? I mean, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, no, I just saw below. No, 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 no. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. How far more? No. Oh my God. That's another like 5 more meters. No. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, look at the view though. I've walked that far, guys. I've walked that far. I'm proud of myself. Okay, you know what? The stairs are just as scary because I can actually see the drop. Just look at it. Oh my God. So you can still actually go up another glass bridge, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I no, I don't know. And I think I'm gonna have to go back the way I came. Do I wanna go up there? Do I wanna go up a little bit more? I'm already so high up. I don't think my brain can think. I can think clearly now. Oh, they have a rock climbing spot here. Jesus. I really want to go and see what's up there, but I don't have the courage. Yep, have to go all the way back from there again. Oh, wish me luck. Okay, you guys, that's good enough for me. I'm going down. I know some of you might say, oh, come on, it's not scary at all. It's very sturdy and everything, but I have a fear of flying. I'm scared of heights, okay? So this is a challenge and I have conquered that challenge, all right? I'm good. I'm good. It's time for some hot soup, some food, or something hearty and warm at the city center. So we're passing this place. It's called Quy Ho, and I asked Dong to stop because I saw that the views are very nice. But as I was buying the ticket, the fog just came in again. It's very unexpected. Like 5 minutes it could be a clear sky, and then the next 5 minutes it's foggy. So I'm gonna try to wait this fog out and see if there's some views that I can get from here. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go to the lake down at the city center. because I'm almost at the top. I'm just taking a break. It's every day in Sapa, every place that I go in Sapa, there's walking and taking the stairs. It's lovely. It's just that the fog hasn't cleared up, and I really want to see the view. I hope the fog clears up before I go back down. I'm at the lake right now, but like I said, it's my lucky day. It's very foggy. You can't see the lake. You can't see anything. This is the lake. You can't see it. You probably can see a little bit of the trees, so that's what I'm gonna show you. But the lake is just not possible to see right now. I'm gonna try to come again to the lake tomorrow, probably after breakfast before I go to Fansipan, and hopefully the sky will be clear so I can see the lake. I'm really excited to see this lake and have some pictures taken here. I mean, look at that. Nothing to see. The lake is right behind me, but there's nothing to see whatsoever. I thought the reason why everything was so foggy today was because Duong was taking me a lot further up. But as we go down to the city center and right in front of the Sapa station, everything is just as foggy as it is way up there. So basically, the city is already above everything. That's why it's called the city in the clouds. So I totally get that. I think I'm right above the clouds. I don't know why though. I still feel like this place is so beautiful. This is basically the everyday life in Sapa. Whether the sky is clear, whether it's foggy, you're just living life and just trust and believe that everything works out. It's like life in general, really. If you're lucky and when you get to somewhere, you get the view, then good for you. But otherwise, 1 minute is very clear and the other minute it's so foggy. So when you have that clear sky, just make the best of your time, get that videos, get that pictures because it could be gone in a few seconds.